Joey den Besten has tragically died, aged 30, after a crash in an IRRC Superbike race. He is sadly the second young Dutch motorsports star to die over the same weekend, after Dilano van t Hoff. A statement from race organizers confirmed. IRRC management regrets to confirm that Joey den Besten, 30, from Borculo, the Netherlands, passed away after an accident during the formation lap of the Superbike race held on Sunday, July 2, 2023 at Jarno Saarinen Circuit, Imatra, Finland. Joey den Besten was a well-experienced and known road racer and started in 2014 in Supersport class and participated for many years in our competition.